So we're here today in the warehouse with our Arrow 2.1 bottling of our Isle of Raasay Hebridean single malt. So we bottle our Isle of Raasay single malt twice a year. We do a spring bottling and an autumn bottling. The Arrow 1 is our spring bottling and the Arrow 2 is our autumn bottling. So this year it's Arrow 2.1. The 0.1 just indicates how many batches. So last year we did Arrow 1 and Arrow 2. This year we've done Arrow 1.1 and Arrow 2.1. So each batch is made up from our 6 cask wood policy. So we have unpeated spirit and peated spirit that are matured separately in 3 different cask types. Those cask types are ex-rye casks, Chinkapin oak casks and ex-Bordeaux red wine casks. So we use the same recipe, the same amount of those casks each time, but then each time we vary things. So if you imagine a band of our flavour that's our Isle of Raasay single malt, light peated dark fruits, and then we vary the casks slightly. So for example, in Arrow 2.1 we've got slightly more unpeated Chinkapin casks than we would have had in Arrow 1. And just by varying that, we can change the peating level slightly. Basically there's variations per batch, but within a band that we're trying to achieve all the time. There are similarities, as I say, because we always use the 6 casks policy, but some of the differences you'll see between the batches are the colour. I think Arrow 2.1 is slightly darker than Arrow 1, and that's just because of the age of the whisky. So as we bottle, the whisky's getting older, so the oldest casks in this were from April 2018, so that's well over 4 years old, and the youngest cask from 2019. So that is something that will vary in time. There'll be more of the mature cask building up through the batch.